Hey, I wanted to show you guys how to use this jQuery.Lazy load library because I was having some problems following this documentation. So yeah, basically the instruction says get the script and then get this little snippet here and insert it, as well as, yeah, I think that might be pretty much it. The jQuery CDN and then this script and the function. But I feel like they don't do a great job specifying that you need to have the image element needs to be using the data source attribute. Where did it go? Alright, forget it. I'll show you on the editor here. So, like, it needs to say data source, okay? It can't just use the regular source because it's not going to work. I'll show you the example that I'm running here. We have this live loader here. So it's, you can see, like, when I'm scrolling down, the images are lazy loading. You can tell by looking at the network tab here, we're gonna have like more things show up as I scroll down. But you can also see that by the fact that they are, when I'm scrolling down, they're just loading, if you can see that. But anyway, you go here and you can see data source. Yeah, I mean, if I take it away, it just doesn't work. If I have to use data source. And on top of that, I have to, the images have to be using display block. So if I don't use this block, and I go here and I try to refresh, we're going to see that it's not going to work once it refreshes here. Okay. So yeah, maybe it does work then, even without the block. Well, I guess maybe it was just the data source thing then. So when I change that to source and I go here and refresh, then it doesn't seem to, yeah, it doesn't seem to work in that case. Yeah, so there's that, and I thought the block mattered, but these look like they are still being displayed as a block. Alright, whatever, I guess it doesn't matter. So the main thing then is just to keep that data source attribute in mind. And then the snippet, it doesn't matter if you apparently use capital L or lowercase l. I guess it works for both. Because I was wondering that, because in some places in the documentation it had just the, like it suggests that it's just the capital, but then they use lowercase in one of the examples, so I think it doesn't matter. And then just I'm using the CDN to import the library here, and you don't need these lazy loading attributes that I added for some other testing I was doing, so you can take those away. It should still work fine. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I guess the main thing that was throwing me off was that data source attribute thing, so if you're having trouble getting this to work, that might be why.